Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to monetize TikTok account. So let me share the information with you so that you can monetize your TikTok. So let's get head over to it. So the first one is TikTok's creator programs. So to monetize a TikTok account, creators can leverage various avenues such as the Creators Reward Program, live gifts, affiliate marketing, TikTok shops, and brand collaborations. So, so the first one is you can try a creator fund. This program rewards creators for producing engaging content that attracts views. Creators need to meet certain eligibility criteria, including a minimum number of followers and views. And the second one is Creator Rewards Program. Third one is TikTok Shop. Like this feature allows creators to sell products directly on to their audience with the TikTok platform. And the third one is TikTok Creator Marketplace. This platform connects creators with brands for collaborations and sponsored content opportunities. The second thing is direct monetization. So how you can do that? The first one is affiliate marketing. Creators can partner with brands and earn commissions on sales generated through their unique affiliate links. You can try selling merchandise. Some try to offer exclusive content, and then creators can offer paid subscriptions for exclusive content or benefits during live streams. Viewers can send virtual gifts during live streams, which can be converted into currency and cashed out. Creators can offer personalized shoutouts to fans for a fee, and creators can sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. So there are some three options, and the third one is you can advertise and do brand partnerships like do in-feed ads and sponsored contents. You can try some additional strategies like some creators specialize in growing and selling TikTok accounts with established followings. So the last one is creators can use TikTok to raise funds for projects and for causes. So yeah, these are the ways you can try to monetize your TikTok account. Hope this information will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.